Welcome if you're new, I'm Alyssia. If you don't already know, I live in California and a huge benefit to being here, avocados. We can get them year-round pretty easily, but they get ripe and more affordable in the summer, so I like to go avocado crazy. Today I am giving you 5 cool recipes using avocado here, along with a few others, and they are all available in a free ebook that you can download. The link is in the description. First, let's start with a sweet avocado truffles. I'm starting out by blending up some avocados, coconut oil, maple syrup, and salt. Then I can add that into a bowl with cacao powder and use a hand mixer to integrate, gradually adding that cacao powder as I go. It will be thick and sticky. Freeze that mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it firm up. Then I use a cookie scoop and roll into balls, followed by your favorite toppings. I went with coconut shreds, cacao powder, and sprinkles. Store those babies in the fridge or freezer and pop whenever your sweet craving hits. So cool, and honestly, you'd never even know there was avocado. They are rich and satisfying like a truffle should be. Most truffles, even avocado truffle recipes that I've seen, need actual chocolate chips or vegan ones. I love that this just uses cacao powder, so you can be in control of that sugar content, and they're still vegan. How about a savory recipe? Avocado corn cakes. I mash an avocado in a bowl and then whisk in an egg. I add corn kernels, oat flour, baking powder, garlic powder, and salt and pep. Heat your skillet over medium-high heat. Add a bit of oil or spray and scoop some of your corn cake mixture on. I like to use an ice cream scoop for easy measuring. Cook 3 to 4 minutes and then flip to the other side. Holy moly, these are tasty. They're great savory. Load them up with more guac, sour cream or salsa, or even maple syrup for a sweet and savory kick. When filming, my team actually preferred the sweet and savory option. They're seriously hard to stop eating. Corn is naturally sweet, so adding a bit more from the syrup really takes these to a new level, perfect for any meal of the day. Thumbs up if you are an avocado fan. We know that avocado works well with chocolate, but did you know you can use avocado as the base to your chocolate frosting? Say what? To a blender, add avocados, cocoa powder, vanilla, and salt. Then transfer to a bowl and add in powdered sugar or sugar-free powdered sugar, adjusting sweetness to taste as well as texture using the milk. Then you can use that to frost your favorite cakes or desserts. You would never know that the avocado is there. Fool your friends and they'll be saying, bravocado. It's smooth, chocolatey, and you don't really taste the avocado, but it is fresh. My favorite thing is that this frosting can totally maintain its form as a buttercream piped frosting, or it can just be spread onto a cake and cover completely. If you're liking these recipes, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more each week. Okay, back to savory. My low-carb munchies will like this one. Use your avocado as a hamburger bun. I definitely didn't make this up, but I've been seeing it pop up online and I had to try it myself. I took an avocado, cut it in half, and leveled off the bottom of one side for my bottom bun. Then I can layer on my burger and favorite toppings. Top it off with another avocado half and some sesame and poppy seeds to really complete the look. This is admittedly easier to eat with a fork and knife, but man, it is a fun one. What a great way to switch up the lettuce wrap and get more flavor in there. Okay, last one here is this avocado lime pound cake. I whisk together oat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I separate some eggs and beat together the egg whites. I add half of the sugar or sweetener and beat to stiff peaks. Then I add an avocado puree and coconut oil, whipping until smooth and integrated. The rest of the sugar goes in, and then the egg yolks, almond milk, vanilla extract, lime zest, and juice. Fold in half of the flour mixture before integrating the rest. Don't overmix, we want this to be fluffy. transfer to a loaf pan and top it off with some coconut flakes. Cover with foil and bake for about an hour, and then you can remove the foil and finish baking to brown up the top. It should be spongy and spring back when touched. While it bakes, I make the lime glaze with powdered sugar. Again, you could use sugar-free and lime juice. Once it's cool enough to pop out, I like to line the pan with foil for easy removal. You can add the glaze and enjoy. This is so delicious. It tastes like a pound cake, but that lime flavor is so prevalent. The avocado is subtle and mostly contributes to the moist texture of the cake. People love it when I say moist. Moist.
Moist.
But seriously, if you're looking for a pound cake without the pound of butter, here's your option. Remember, all of these recipes plus a few more, there are some avocado fries and avocado hummus as well, are in that free ebook. The link is in the description. I also have an avocado ice cream recipe in my brand new frozen treats ebook that came out a few weeks ago. You can get 10% off any ebook or package of your choice with the code AVOCADO at checkout at mindovermunch.com/ebooks this week only. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you next week. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.